Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising voice for truth, justice, and liberation. This marks a pivotal moment in the global stance against both the Nigeria Christian genocide and terror in West Africa.
Wow! Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the world. Very breaking, February 8, 2026. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu orders total cancellation of Monday sit-at-home across Biafraland. The Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, under the supreme leadership of Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, hereby announces to the entire world that the Monday sit-at-home across the southeast is officially and permanently cancelled with effect from tomorrow, Monday, February 9, 2026. This directive comes directly from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself, who has once again staked everything on the line to ensure that our children return to school every Monday and that our people go about their lawful businesses without fear, intimidation, or molestation. Any person in doubt should visit Sokoto Correctional Centre to confirm with him. We can no longer hide under, Onyendu cannot be reached to confirm, to persist with our recalcitrance or docility. Monday sit-at-home is over. That era is gone. There is now no need, excuse, or justification for anyone to stay at home on Mondays. All markets, schools, offices, transport services, and economic activities must resume fully and normally from tomorrow. This is the clear and unequivocal order of the Supreme Leader of IPOB. Onyendu has made it abundantly clear that any individual or group attempting to enforce sit-at-home from this moment forward is acting against his direct command. Such persons are enemies of our people and the Biafran cause. They will be pursued to the ends of the earth and confronted until they are completely defeated. We are aware that enemies of Biafra may attempt false flag operations designed to create fear, stage attacks, or intimidate our people into staying indoors. Let it be known that any person or group identified as enforcing or enabling sit-at-home will be confronted wherever they are. Our people must remain vigilant, calm, and law-abiding. At the same time, IPOB wishes to make it clear that no state governor has the right to threaten, demolish, or forcibly shut down the businesses of traders who, out of conscience, choose to sit at home in solidarity with our leader. Any attempt by Governor Soludo or any other governor to intimidate our people with demolition threats or forced market closures will be firmly resisted. Furthermore, any renovation, reconstruction, or improvement of markets that involves temporary relocation must be carried out only with the consent of all stakeholders. Adequate temporary trading sites must be provided before any such projects commence. Our enemies have in the past succeeded in instigating crises and planting seeds of discord among our people. We must not allow them to succeed again. We are one people, united by a common destiny. Our struggle is for freedom, dignity, and justice for all, not just for Biafrans. We therefore call on all our people across the southeast to come out tomorrow, open their shops, go to work, and send their children to school without fear. The era of Monday sit-at-home is over. Emma Powerful. Spokesperson/Media and Publicity Secretary. Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB.
I love my people very much and they know it. I don't want all this, anybody involved. I've been hearing about idiots talking all over the place. Some fools trying to be relevant because of Biafra or trying to use my name to gain relevance. I don't want it. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping. All this nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of the fact that I'm in detention. But it will soon end.
The only person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our central command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else up on Dioshika Hab. I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.